Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money from notes. Many students have found success by selling their study materials, turning their hard work into a profitable venture. Imagine earning extra income just by sharing your well-structured summaries, lecture notes, or revision guides. This guide will walk you through the straightforward process, helping you unlock the financial potential hidden within your academic efforts. It's a fantastic way to supplement your income with minimal extra work. Several excellent platforms exist for selling your notes. Websites like Stuvia, Nexus Notes, and OneClass are popular choices, each connecting you with a global student audience. These platforms typically take a commission, which can be anywhere from 20 to 50%, leaving you with a significant portion of each sale. For maximum control and 100% of the profit, you might even consider setting up a simple personal website to sell your notes directly. To maximize your sales, focus on creating high-quality notes. Clarity is key. Ensure your content is easy to follow and free of errors. Incorporate visual elements such as diagrams, flowcharts, or color-coded sections to make complex information more digestible. Good organization, with clear headings and bullet points, significantly improves the user experience. Aim for notes that are not just informative, but also aesthetically pleasing and simple to navigate, making them highly desirable to other students. To truly boost your earnings, strategic pricing is crucial. Many successful sellers price their note sets between $5 and $20. Actively promote your notes across relevant social media channels and student online communities to expand your reach. Encourage satisfied buyers to leave positive reviews, as strong testimonials build credibility and attract new customers. Consistently uploading new, high-quality content can also significantly increase your visibility and overall sales volume over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.